squat, grab the weight, chest up. Good. Have a seat. You want to kick the weights up and do a jumping motion with each foot. And as you're lying down, push the weights upward. So go ahead, jump, jump, push them upward. Beautiful. Lock those shoulders back and down. Keep the dumbbells about 1 inch above the nipple area. Shoulders are down. Come down to a 90-degree angle. Breathe in on the way down. Right there. Beautiful. Blow out on the way up. Breathe in on the way down. You want to do a triangular type motion. So he's coming inward. It's not out then in. Straight inward. Keep your neck nice and straight. You can look straight up at the dumbbells while you're doing it to make sure it's over the perfect part of your chest. Make sure your wrists are straight. If they're bent, you could get some forearm injury. We don't want that. Make sure your elbows are lined up with your shoulder blade. You don't want your elbows coming back here or down this way. I see that a lot in the gym. We want the elbows lined up with the shoulder, wrists lined up with the elbows. All one line. Boom, going straight in your chest and killing that chest.